Dr. Tam here. So what I'm getting is I am getting our vitamin, the Triimmune injection, and also the energy injection as well. Not like a lot of people think I need energy, but I feel like, I want to make sure I have enough vitamin B. So I take it every single day. You guys have seen my drink, right? With the greens, my multivitamin, the Stellar C, and all of that. D as well. But it's a little boost. About once a month, I'm gonna try to keep it consistent as possible. Once a month, once every 2 weeks, depending on how life goes, we need a little bit more in the system. So, in the arm, right?
Yes.
All right.
Which arm do you want? Left or right? Or one on each?
The immunity, I like it in the left arm.
Immunity, okay.
And then the B that's due on the right arm.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the immunity, from my experience, it just, like, you feel it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Where it's a little bit sore, only because it's packed with vitamins. So I got a little sore. Not everyone gets that. I just do, right? I initially felt it on the right side, and I said, oh, maybe it was something else. And I said, let's try it on this side. Oh, no, it's the same thing. So now I know.
Alrighty, go ahead and have a seat.
This way, facing this way, facing this way.
It doesn't matter, whichever one.
All right.
So we will start first. You said the immune on the left.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll first do the Energy Ultra on the right arm.
All right. It's my third or fourth time, by the way.
Okay, just relax your arm.
Oh, yeah.
Just clean it first.
Make sure we have good posture while we're doing
Yeah.
this. Blood flows better.
All right, ready? Take a deep breath in and out. Little prick. Okay. You doing okay?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Well, that was easy. I barely felt that one.
Okay, good.
That was cool. That's cool.
Then next we're gonna do the Triimmune on the other one.
Relax.
Yes. Okay. Relax your arm. Take a deep breath in and out. Little prick. Okay. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, that one felt great.
Oh, did it?
Yeah,
Okay,
no
good.
problem.
And then I'm just gonna put a little band-aid and we're all done. Okay.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.